Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Singh Bhadoria on Thursday addressed the force on its 88th Foundation Day, saying it stands ever ready to protect the nation's sovereignty and interest in all circumstances. Addressing the Air Warriors after inspecting the parade at the Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad, Bhadoria said as it enters its 89th year, the IAF is undergoing a transformational change. On the occasion of Indian Air Force Day 2020, Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria on Thursday assured the nation that the Indian Air Force will evolve and be ever ready to safeguard India's sovereignty and interest in all circumstances. I want to assure the nation that the Indian Air Force will evolve and be ever ready to safeguard our nation's sovereignty and interest in all circumstances, said Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria at Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad. He further said, as we enter the 89th year, the IAF is undergoing a transformational change. We are entering an era which will redefine where we employ aerospace power and conduct integrated multi-domain operation. Rakesh Singh further said that this year has indeed been an unprecedented one. As COVID-19 spread across the globe, our nation's response was firm. IAF chief said the tenacity and resolve of our air warriors ensured that IAF continued to retain its capability to undertake full-scale operation throughout this period. He further said, I commend all our warriors for quick response in the recent standoff on the northern frontier, where we deployed our combat assets at short notice to handle any eventuality and provide proactive support to all our requirements of deployment and sustenance of Indian Army. Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Naravane and Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh attended the 88th Indian Air Force Day celebration at Hindon Air Base in Ghaziabad. Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria inspected the 88th Indian Air Force Day parade. Nishan Toli, being led by Squadron Leader Shivangi Rajwat, marched at the Hindon Air Force Station in Ghaziabad on the occasion. Two Chinook helicopters also took part in the flypast to mark 88th Indian Air Force Day. The Tejas LCA, Jaguar, MiG-29, MiG-21 and Sukhoi 30 aircraft were part of the rehearsal, beside the Rafale fighter jet, an IAF official said. Earlier, a host of politicians, including President Ramnath Kovind, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and others extended their greetings to the IAF on its 88th anniversary. Bureau Report.